Hi everyone, here is another intuition test for you all to have a go at. I'm using different cards today. There are 4 cards: the horse, the owl, the elephant and the wolf. This time I would like you to use your intuition to find the wolf card. To do this, first close your eyes and do 3 deep breaths. Set your intention to find the wolf card. After your 3 deep breaths, open your eyes and look at the cards. Which one are you drawn to? Which one calls out to you? Which one do you feel is the wolf card? Or which one do you know is the wolf card? Trust yourself. Trust what you receive. Believe in the answer you receive. Which one is the wolf? Did you get it right? How did you do? Please let me know how you did in the comments. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe for more intuitive videos. Thank you.